To show current UV index for your location on your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add UV widget to the widget bar on your lock screen. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the widget bar. Scroll down the widget screen. Tap weather. Scroll down the widget screen again. And then tap the UV widget to add this widget to the widget bar. Tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, now your phone will display the current UV index for your location on the widget bar below the lock screen clock. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.